Hello everyone, and a very good evening to all of you, and welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive preparation app for all exams. So the CMAT date is announced, and now you all are preparing for the GK as well. So in this session, I'll be discussing the static GK. As I have told you at the 3 p.m. class, I'll be discussing some science-based question actually in this class, right? So mostly from chemistry and biology will be there questions. So if I'm audible, just write static GK. Yes, sir, you're audible. Okay, fine. So this is the 7th part. We are running this 500 most expected CMAT GK question session. So let's start with the first questions. Initially, some questions will be easy. Then after a few minutes, there will be some tough questions as well. So the first question is, bauxite is an ore mineral of tin, aluminum, mercury, manganese. What is the right answer to this question? 4th मई को एग्जाम है. Yes. So bauxite जो है, these are being taught in your school days from 7th to 10th. If you have studied chemistry properly, you could have easily answered it. And in which region you will find it? So bauxite is basically an ore of aluminum and plus you can say to some extent gallium as well. Okay, so yes, so actually when you see it is actually Al2O3, so this is aluminum oxide in impure form, then it is extracted from there, aluminum is extracted. Yes, B is the right answer to this question. Yes, Patel, it varies, but yes, you can say 50-50 would be there more or less. Okay. So even current affairs section has a good section, a good percentage as well as static. Yes. Now, bauxite, you will find it mostly in the regions where you will find laterite soil. Okay. And where do you find laterite soil? In the region having high rainfall. Okay. So I am telling you all the 360-degree aspects. So let's say, for example, especially if you are talking about, let's say I will make the map like this. So I'm just making a rough sketch. Okay. So where you will find the actually the laterite soils. So in this region, the western section of Western Ghat, because the rainfall happens, southwest monsoon comes here, some portion in Meghalaya as well, some portion here and all, and that is why bauxite or aluminum ore you will find it there. So B is the right answer to this question. ठीक है, admit card आ जाएगा, tension नहीं लेना है, ठीक है. Bauxite is a sedimentary rock of high aluminum content. Okay, so just have an idea about it. The next one is, how many rare earth metals are there in periodic table? 8, 16, 17, 22. Nowadays, rare earth metals are considered as very important. Nowadays, why? Because these are used in electronics and electrical industries nowadays and all, right? And that is why rare earth metal is considered as very important. So how many rare earth elements are there in the periodic table? Yes, Amit Yadav, very good. The right answer is C. 17 elements are actually there. Mostly actually they are belonging from lanthanide series. Okay, so these are the 17 rare earth metals, cerium, dysprosium, erbium, you are not supposed to remember each and every one. And most of them actually are from these series, and lanthanide or actinide series जो होता है ना. So what we call it as F block elements and all, है ना. So इसी में से many of them are actually from there. Yes, Shubham Sharma, Chinmay Tiwari, you are right. C is the right answer. The next one is, which of the following determines the absolute was instrumental in determining the absolute value of charge on an electron? So J.J. Thomson, Rutherford, R.A. Millikan, James Chadwick. What is the right answer to this question? So I hope you are aware the atom is something like that. So proton and neutron is actually inside the nucleus, and the electron moves like this, around it, something like that. So electron is represented like this, yes, and it is having a negative charge. So basically the idea, electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson. Electron was discovered. Okay. But I'm not talking about who discovered electron, who discovered the charge on electron. Yes, so the right answer is R.A. Millikan. C is the right answer to this question. Okay, yes, Amit Yadav, Swati, you all are right. C is the right answer to this question. Just have an idea about it. Yes. Okay. The next one, let's move on to the next one, the question number 4. ANFO, PET, PET, and TNT are classified as what? High explosives, low explosives, primary explosive, fireworks explosive. What is the right answer? देखो TNT तो आप जानते हो कि explosive होता है, and these are actually considered as extremely highly explosive, है ना? Trinitropglyceride करके इसको कहते हैं ना, trinitroglycerine. These are considered as extremely explosive and all. And so just have a basic idea about it. A is the right answer to this question. Let's move on to the next one. Question number 5. Which of the following chemical is not in fire extinguisher? कौन सा नहीं होता? Dry ice, carbon tetrachloride, methyl nitrate, potassium bicarbonate. What is the right answer to this question? हाँ, इससे पहले का A था. Yes, Amit, Chinmay, Aditya, Majan, you all were right. So dry ice, carbon tetrachloride is CCl4 है ना? Carbon tetrachloride, dry ice is solid carbon dioxide है ना? Solid carbon dioxide is dry ice. Carbon tetrachloride को ऐसे लिख सकते हैं CCl, right है ना? Potassium bicarbonate is also there. Actually, the right answer is methyl nitrate. So C is the right answer to this question. You will not find in fire extinguisher mostly. Yeah. So C is the right answer. Okay. The next one is question number 6. Which of the following is the most reactive halogen? These are the questions which are asked in various important famous exams. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. ये तो I mean these are taught in 11th class if I'm not wrong. Yes, है ना? Mostly in 11th and 12th chemistry. The reactivity series of halogens are being actually taught. So what is the right answer to this question? Most reactive halogen is actually the right answer is fluorine. So A is the right answer to this question. Yes, Aditya Mahajan, very good. देखो generally क्या होता है? So reactivity, if you go down, it actually decreases, है ना? There is some exception here. I am not going in detail. So from here actually reactivity increases and it goes decreases. So somewhere here the fluorine actually, है ना? Is one of the most highest. और ये वाला जो है ना, this is actually the halogen series, है ना? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, है ना? These are actually the halogen series. So just have an idea. A is the right answer. Yes, Swati, yes, Shubham, Shilpa, you are right. The next is question number 7. Very easy question. Which of the following chemical is generally known as a spirit of vitriol? What is the right answer to this question? Okay, this is also called as oil of vitriol. What is the right answer? Anyone? काफी famous है, so I hope you are aware of it. Hitesh, PDF will not be available. What you can do is you can watch it again on 2x speed. ठीक है? After the class is over, watch it. तो 2x speed में कम short time में speed में आप देख लेना. ठीक है? Yes. So oil of vitriol is H2SO4 है ना? I hope you are aware. And that is none other than sulfuric acid. So A is the right answer to this question. Yes, Amit Yadav is right. Aaj ka Savera, Aditya Mahajan, you all are right. Okay, now please tell me which of the following is called, I mean, what is blue vitriol? What is the formula of that? So the formula of blue vitriol is copper sulfate 5H2O, right? What is the formula of green vitriol? So the green vitriol formula is FeSO4 ferrous sulfate 7H2O, right? 7H2O. And what is the formula of white vitriol? Please check it. As far as I remember, it is zinc sulfate 10H2O, right? है ना? A है ना? Okay. Yes. So these are the three ones. इसको last वालों को एक बार check कर लेना. As far as I remember, this is the correct one. Okay. So these are famous vitriols: blue vitriol, grey vitriol, white vitriol. इसे पूछते हैं एग्जाम में. ठीक है? So just have an idea about it. Yes. So here A is the right answer to this question. Okay, let's move on further. So here the right answer was A. The next one is question number 8. Salts of which of the following provide colors to firework? Yes, zinc and sulfur, potassium, mercury, strontium and barium, chromium and nickel. Color जो देता है जब firework होता है ना, जो जैसे दिवाली वगैरह में all, so it gives different color, yellow, green, blue and all like that. So actually, which of the following salts are used in fireworks and all, which actually provides color? है ना? What is the right answer? बताओ. I mean, these are the questions which were asked in some famous reputed exams. है ना? So I have taken it from there because yes, they do copy it from different exams and also just have an idea. The standard question. The right answer is strontium and barium. C is the right answer. ठीक है? I know it is a slightly tough question, but you should be knowing barium actually produces green light. Have you seen green light in actually fireworks? So that is barium. And strontium actually creates deep red. And copper, I've just told you blue vitriol. Yes, I've just told you copper sulfate is blue vitriol, right? So you can connect with that as well. ये दोनों काफी फेमस होता है, ग्रीन एंड रेड, बेरियम एंड स्ट्रॉन्शियम, ठीक है. Although it is harmful also, that's a different matter, है ना. Sodium causes yellow and all, ठीक है. So the right answer is C. Yes. The next one is question number 9. Which of the following metals are required in soldering? Soldering आप समझते हो, है ना. I mean, you must have seen this, है ना. So iron and tin, lead and tin, aluminium and lead, aluminium and iron. What is the right answer to this question? I know some of the questions are slightly standard questions. Yes, because I try my best to ensure that that if the good quality question comes, it should be from our classes. Yes. Very good. The right answer to this question is lead and tin. Yes, Amit Yadav has answered it correctly. Very good. So lead is PB, है ना. Tin is stannum, so SN, right? है ना. So B is the right answer to this question. Aaj ka savera, Amit Yadav, Vanshul, you all are right. Aditya Mahajan, B is the right answer to this question. Okay, let's move on to the next one. The question number 10. See, the question says, be careful while reading it. Which of the following non-metal is not a poor conductor of electricity? Why? Generally, it is believed that metals are good conductor of electricity and non-metals are bad conductor. Yes, generally. But this does not hold true all the time. Yes. Okay. So here, a non-metal is not a poor conductor. It means it is a good conductor of electricity. Which of the following is correct? Sulfur, selenium, bromine, phosphorus. Yes, Amit Yadav is right. The right answer to this question is selenium. So B is the right answer to this question. Just have an idea about it. Yes, Amit Yadav, Yashi Mohan, Chidmay, you are right. अच्छा, थोड़ा सा go and read about metalloids as well, है ना. थोड़ा सा इसको पढ़िएगा. Read about it, है ना. Especially arsenic, germanium and all इस सब के बारे में. Yes, this is selenium, है ना. The next one is question number 11. Which of the following isotopes of hydrogen is radioactive? Protium, deuterium, tritium, none of the above. Look, what is isotope? These are two very famous names. One is called as isotope. Atoms of same element having same atomic number, but different mass number, है ना. That's called as isotope. ठीक है. And isobar is reverse. Isobar means same mass number, but different atomic number. It means element would be different, है ना. Different atomic number. Okay. Yes. Yes. For example, hydrogen, we are having hydrogen, है ना. 1 1 1 2 tritium, है ना. Deuterium, tritium, right? So these all are same, I mean hydrogen, but they are having mass numbers are different, right? So the right answer is tritium, which is actually radioactive in nature. So just have an idea about it. Isobars का example कोई बता सकता है? Anyone? So there are 3 isobars, है ना? अच्छा, go and find out. ठीक है, I'm just giving a homework. So C is the right answer. देखो ये हाइड्रोजन है ना. This is having 1 electron, 1 proton. This is hydrogen 2, which is actually an isotope, and deuterium having proton and neutron also inside it, and the 2 neutrons and 1 proton, है ना. So that is how it is. So it is defined like this, है ना. H11 D ऐसे लिख देते हैं, है ना. So this is actually radioactive in nature, this one, है ना. So the right answer is C. Okay. The next one is, which of the following is used in making the wire of a flash bulb? Copper, silver, tungsten, magnesium. What is the right answer? अच्छा, इसका आइसोबार का एग्जांपल नहीं पता है. आर्गन, पोटेशियम, कैल्शियम. पोटेशियम, कैल्शियम. ठीक है ना. 18, 19, 20. These are the atomic numbers, and mass numbers in some cases are 40, 40, 40 in all the 3. ठीक है. Yes. So that is called as isobars. ठीक है ना. Okay. Yes. Here the right answer to this question is magnesium, है ना. फ्लैश बल्ब का वायर बनाने में मैग्नीशियम का काम आता है. सो डी इज द राइट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, जस्ट हैव एन आइडिया. कैल्शियम सल्फेट डिहाइड्रेट इज कॉमनली नोन एज व्हाट? ग्लास, लाइमस्टोन, एस्बेस्टोस, जिप्सम. कैल्शियम सल्फेट. देखो आप कोशिश करो उसको ब्रेक करने की. ठीक है. सो CaSO4 half H2O, right? This is which one? These are taught in chemistry in school days. Calcium sulfate half H2O is what? It's gypsum, है ना. And if it is calcium sulfate 2H2O, and this is plaster of Paris. Yes. So plaster of Paris is used in what? पहली बात ही प्लास्टर करें, लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल गॉड फॉरबिड इफ समवन मीट्स विद एन एक्सीडेंट, तो उसके लिए प्लास्टर लगता है. सो दैट प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस, इट इज आल्सो मेड यूज्ड इन मेकिंग आइडल्स एंड ऑल. ठीक है, सो दैट्स जिप्सम एंड दैट इज प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस. सो द राइट आंसर हियर इज डी इज द राइट आंसर. यस, आज का सवेरा, यस राइट. याशी यू आर राइट. जिन्होंने भी डी आंसर किया, अंशुल यू आर राइट. डी इज द राइट आंसर. ठीक है, सो दिस इज उल्टा बोल दिया क्या मैंने? ओके सॉरी. दिस इज 2H2O. Please correct it. And this is half H2O. So plaster of Paris is half H2O. Please correct it. And this is gypsum. Okay. Okay. So please correct it, है ना? If it is 2H2O, then it is gypsum. And if it is half H2O, then it is plaster of Paris. Okay. Yes. Let's move on to the next one. Question number 14. Which of the following is called as philosopher's wool? Zinc bromide, zinc nitrate, zinc oxide, zinc chloride. What is the right answer to this question? फिलोसफर्स वुल किसको कहते हैं? आई मीन दीज आर एक्चुअली स्ट्रेट लाइन वन लाइन क्वेश्चन, बट आता है इस तरह का क्वेश्चन, है ना, एग्जाम में. व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर? फिलोसफर्स वुल किसको कहते हैं? एनीवन? यस, आदित्य महाजन, किशान. यस, द राइट आंसर इज जिंक ऑक्साइड. इट इज रिटन लाइक दिस, ZNO, है ना. सो जिंक ऑक्साइड और ZNO इज कॉल्ड एज फिलोसफर्स वुल. यस. Yes, Amit Yadav, Aditya Mahajan. जिन्होंने भी सी आंसर किया. The next one is question number 15. Which of the following organs receives only oxygenated blood? Liver, lungs, spleen, none of the above. सिर्फ उसके पास साफ ब्लड आता है, ऑक्सीजनेटेड, है ना. It does not does not get deoxygenated blood. What is the right answer? ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड किसके पास आता है? तो एटलीस्ट लंग्स तो नहीं होगा. अगर आपको पता है तो आप आंसर कर सकते हो, बट द राइट आंसर इज सी. स्प्लीन इज द राइट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, तो इसमें होता है बॉडी के अंदर, यहाँ पर स्प्लीन होता है. ओके, सो इट रिसीव्स ओनली ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड. सो सी इज द राइट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, अमित यादव, आदित्य, जिन्होंने भी सी आंसर किया, यू ऑल आर राइट. द नेक्स्ट वन इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. व्हिच हार्मोन इज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय हाइपोथैलेमस? ऑक्सीटोसिन, थाइमोसिन, एड्रेनलिन, थायरोट्रोपिन. So hypothalamus you will find it around brain, inside brain, है ना? नहीं, हाँ, yes, around inside brain. So which hormone is produced by it? So the right answer to this question is oxytocin. This is also called as love hormone. Okay, this is very important in many exams. I have seen this question asked. Okay, especially when the child birth happens, or when mother actually breastfeeds the child. In those cases, oxytocin hormone is very, very important. Okay, so A is the right answer to this question. The next one is question number 17. Which of the following is called as stranger's gas? Argon, neon, xenon, nitrous oxide. What is the right answer to this question? इससे पहले का A was the right answer. तो जिन्होंने भी A आंसर किया, याशी मोहन सक्सेना, यू वर राइट. हाँ, देखो स्ट्रेंजर, देखो हैव यू हर्ड दिस टर्म xenophobic? Xenophobic sentiment means allergic to outsider. You must have heard it, xenophobic sentiment and all. So xeno is actually related with stranger. Xenophobia, these words are very famous. So there is the word xenon. So the right answer is these are the actually inert gases में आता है ना. So the right answer is C is the right answer to this question. Yes, Yashi Mohan Saxena is right. Aditya Mahajan, Amit Yadav, you all are right. C is the right answer to this question. है ना, comes from the xenos मतलब होता है stranger. तो आप उससे अपना logic लगा सकते हो. Okay, the next one, yes, they come in noble gas group category में, है ना. The next one is question number 18. Which of the following is the lightest and heaviest metal respectively? ठीक है, so ये वाला lightest का section है, ठीक है, and this one is heaviest वाला, ठीक है. That is why I'm writing respectively. Yes, so please answer it. Lightest and heaviest metal. What is the right answer? Anyone? So the lightest metal is lithium, and the actually osmium is the heaviest metal. So the right answer is B is the right answer to this question. ठीक है, याद रखिएगा, B is the right answer. Okay, everyone please press the like button guys. We have worked very hard to find out these good quality questions. काफी मेहनत करना पड़ा सब निकालने के लिए, ठीक है. Yes, please press the like button ताकि अगर कोई मुझे अच्छा स्टैंडर्ड क्वेश्चन अगर साइंस से दे तो आपको यहां से बन जाएगा ना. यस, आई एम ट्राइंग माई बेस्ट. सो बी इज द राइट आंसर हियर. लिथियम एंड ऑस्मियम. यस, याशी मोहन सक्सेना, यू आर राइट. बी इज द राइट आंसर. The next is, which of the following is known as a blueprint of life? DNA, RNA, cell, nucleus. What is the right answer to this question? Yes, the right answer is a blueprint of life is none other than DNA. ठीक है. So A is the right answer to this question. Yes. अमित यादव, स्नेहा प्रधान, अमित शाह, शुभम, यू आर राइट. ठीक है. कुछ चीजें मैं बता देता हूं. देखो, डीएनए इज जनरली डबल स्ट्रैंडेड. ठीक है. आई होप यू आर अवेयर. लेट मी राइट इट विद सम अदर पेन. ठीक है. डीएनए जो होता है डबल स्ट्रैंड, यू कैन सी दो स्ट्रैंड है ना. सो दीज आर डबल स्ट्रैंडेड. डी से डीएनए, डी से डबल. RNA is generally single stranded, and actually these are adenine, thymine, guanine and cytosine is present. ठीक है. And instead of thymine in RNA, uracil is present. Just this is the difference. Otherwise AGC are same here as well as here. ठीक है. So just have an idea about it, है ना. ये न्यूक्लियस बेस कहलाता है ये लोग. ठीक है. Now एक और चीज पता होना चाहिए. DNA can be if DNA can be made into RNA to protein. Yes. Have you seen this diagram ever before in your life? Okay. So if DNA is transferred or made into RNA, that is called as what? Transcription. ठीक है. ये मैं बता देता हूँ because sometimes let me write it with some other pen. Transcription. Okay. And this is called as translation. ओके. इसको क्लियरली लिख दे रहे हैं. ट्रांसक्रिप्शन एंड आरएनए टू प्रोटीन इज कॉल्ड एज ट्रांसलेशन. और इसी को पूरा कहते हैं सेंट्रल डॉगमा ऑफ लाइफ, है ना. इस तरह का यू मस्ट हैव सीन सेंट्रल डॉगमा ऑफ लाइफ. यस. नाउ व्हाई दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट? इन रीसेंट एक्चुअली इयर्स दिस वाज वेरी मच कमिंग इन द न्यूज. ये वाला वर्ड आपने सुना है, RT-PCR, reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction. So this is actually conducted during COVID-19 test. Yes or no? Have you heard this RT-PCR test? आपने सुना होगा. So reverse transcription is done. So reverse transcription means इसको हम लोग वापस ले जाते हैं. Here, this one. From RNA to DNA it is taken. So that's called as RT, reverse transcription. Okay. So this idea is actually here. RT-PCR, reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction. RT-PCR test of COVID-19 is done. ठीक है. तो ये काफी ज्यादा न्यूज में था in the last 2 years. DNA to RNA to protein and all. So that is why you should be knowing these things, है ना. तो इसलिए मैंने आपको थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा बता दिया. Okay. Yes. So let's move on further to the next one. Question number 20. Who gave the theory of evolution by natural selection? And I think it's the easiest question of the day perhaps. ये तो बचपन से आप लोगों ने पढ़ा होगा, है ना. थियोरी ऑफ एवोल्यूशन बाय नेचुरल सिलेक्शन. एक वर्ड है बहुत फेमस, है ना. सर्वाइवल ऑफ द फिटेस्ट. a lot of motivator also use this word, है ना, कि this world is the world of survival of the fittest, है ना. So theory of evolution by natural selection, the idea of survival of the fittest was given none other than Mr. Charles Darwin, है ना. And he gave the idea of evolution that once we were actually from primates. Primates समझो ना. Primates means actually we were once similar to monkey, ape-like creature थे. Then over the period of time we became human. That is the theory given by Charles Darwin. Okay. So theory of evolution. Yes. Natural selection वगैरह and all. Yes, G is the right answer. Aditya, Sneha, Nancy, Yashi, Shilpa, Sakshi, Prachi, you all are right. The next is question 21. Which of the following is called as baking soda? Sodium hydroxide, sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, sodium sulfate. This is actually used in houses, है ना, घर में खाना बनाने के लिए, for food, for let's say अगर आपको कुछ बनाना है, जैसे केक वगैरह आई थिंक बनाने के लिए भी these are used, है ना. और मेकिंग एनीथिंग जो थोड़ा सा ये हो जिसमें फूल जाए, है ना, जैसे कोई नान रोटी या कोई रोटी बनाना होता है. सो इन दैट केस और बेकिंग सोडा इज यूज्ड, है ना. So what is the formula of baking soda? So the right answer is yes, the right answer is sodium bicarbonate is the right answer. C is the right answer. अच्छा कुछ और पूछ रहे, caustic soda का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है एंड caustic potash का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? देखो caustic potash is very easy, KOH है ना, पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, एंड caustic soda is सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड है ना. ये सब पता होना चाहिए because yes they can ask these types of questions in the exam. So C is the right answer, sodium bicarbonate है ना. Sodium NaHCO3. Yes, very good. Yes, Aditya, Mahajan, Prachi, Nancy, you are right. C is the right answer to this question. है ना, ये है उसका formula. Okay, the next one is, okay, before that guys, there's a small announcement. So these are the CAT 2022 toppers this year. So if they can, you can also. Yes. So we are providing 300 plus engaging videos. This is a paid session, 300 plus engaging videos, 135 plus live sessions, 75 plus mock tests, 10,000 plus practice question, 300 plus engaging videos are there. And on 29th April at 7 p.m. we'll be having a scholarship test. Okay. And you will be provided up to 90% of scholarship if you qualify this. And yes, you will be able to actually get this course at a cheaper rate. Okay. Yes. And on 25th April at 7 p.m. we'll be having Saral Nashir sir, and he'll be discussing expert strategy to ace CAT 2023 on our app channel. Okay, on app, BYJU'S Exam Prep app. So the link is given in the description from where you can register it. Similarly, we are running this course, Last Lap to CMAT 2023. As today at 3 p.m. I conducted a session on our YouTube. And if you have not watched it, please go and watch it. It's about GK section, current affairs section as well. Then download our app, go to CAT section, and you will get daily section wise quiz there. ठीक है, attempt those quiz, that would be very beneficial to you. And ये वाले हम लोग सीरीज चला रहे हैं on the same YouTube channel. So guys, please subscribe to our channel so that whenever we are putting a video, whether it's for CAT or CMAT, you will get the notification for that. Okay. आदित्य महाजन, हिस्ट्री का भी सेशन होगा. देखो 4 मई को थर्सडे को एग्जाम है ना, उससे पहले संडे, मंडे, ट्यूसडे है ना, एंड वेडनेसडे आई विल बी डिस्कसिंग सेशंस. और चारों दिन लगातार कंटिन्यूअस चलेगा. इवन अदर देन दैट देयर विल बी सम मोर सेशंस. ठीक है, सब होगा. आदित्य महाजन, याशी मोहन, विल बी हैविंग दो सेशंस एज वेल. ठीक है, सो थैंक्स फॉर द एडवाइस. आई मीन आई विल बी ट्राइंग टू शेड्यूल दो सेशंस एज वेल. ठीक है, यू कीप ऑन फॉलोइंग द क्लासेस, दैट वुड बी बेनिफिशियल. एलपीजी कंटेन्स विच टू गैसेस? व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर? एलपीजी सिलेंडर जो होता है इसमें कौन सा दो गैस होता है? Yes, the right answer is actually propane and butane होता है. ठीक है, C is the right answer. ठीक है, ठीक है. So the right answer is C. Yes, Aditya Mahajan is right. Sneha Pradhan is also right. Propane and butane is the right answer to this question. ठीक है, just have an idea. Especially propane ज़्यादा होता है. Mostly propane is there, and then butane is in small amount and all. है ना? Generally ऐसे ही होता है. Okay, so C is the right answer here. The next one is which of the following helps in blood clotting? Vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. What is the right answer to this question? Blood clotting में कौन सा मदद करता है vitamin? I think this also we had discussed some weeks back. Okay, what is the right answer? Phyloquinone भी इसको कहते हैं ना. Okay, so the right answer is vitamin K. So D is the right answer to this question. Option D is the right answer. That is vitamin K, phyloquinone. So D, yes, Yashi Mohan, Saxena, Sakshi Yadav, Aditya, Shilpa, Sneha Pradhan, Melia, you all are right है ना. Blood coagulation वगैरह के लिए है ना. So the right answer is D. Okay, the next one, yes, Nancy Goel. जिन्होंने भी D answer किया, you all are right. Question number 24. In which of the following organ water from undigested food is mainly absorbed? Food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. तो एब्जॉर्प्शन की बात हो रही है, तो फूड पाइप में एब्जॉर्प्शन तो नहीं होता, नहीं तो बस जाने का रास्ता है. ठीक है, so that cannot be the answer. At least A you can eliminate very easily, है ना. So what is the right answer? Undigested जो खाना पचा नहीं, उसका पानी एब्जॉर्ब कहाँ होता है? So the right answer to this question is large intestine. D is the right answer. Yes, Yashi Mohan, Aditya Mahajan, Shubham Sharma, you all are right. So actually here it is, है ना, ये वाला large intestine है ना. So the right answer is D. Yes. Chinmay Tiwari will be having a separate session for that, है ना. Innovative entrepreneurship के लिए there will be session. Srinivas sir I think will be taking tomorrow. ठीक है. तो प्लीज फॉलो इट, तो सब्सक्राइब कर लो चैनल को ना, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल. Perhaps there is a session tomorrow with that, for that. The next is xylem and phloem are located where in plants? So xylem is used in water absorption, ठीक है, and phloem is used in food absorption, ठीक है. They are located where? So the right answer is center and outer side of vascular bundle respectively. Just have an idea, ठीक है. बस ये पता होना चाहिए कौन सा कौन वाटर. सो इट अब्सॉर्ब्स वाटर एंड दिस अब्सॉर्ब फूड. ये पूछते हैं कई बार एग्जाम में, इन मेनी एग्जाम्स, ठीक है. So the right answer is A is the right answer to this question. The next is which of the following is used as anti-freeze for automobile engines? This is very, very, very important because it was in the news in current affairs. So please star mark it. ये वाला important है. I'll tell you why it is important. ठीक है. ऑटोमोबाइल इंजन में जैसे अगर ठंडे मुल्क में, लेट्स से इफ यू आर लिविंग इन साइबेरिया एंड ऑल रीजन, सो यू नीड इन योर कार दिस, है ना. सो टू एंश्योर दैट योर कार इंजन शुड नॉट गेट फ्रीज्ड. एंड व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर? सो द राइट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन इज ethylene glycol. D is the right answer to this question. This was in the news because of some other reason. The reason is actually in a country in Africa, in a Africa continent, there is a country. The name of that country is X. You have to tell me what is X country. In this country, I think more than 60, as far as I remember, more than 60 plus children died. And this country said it is because of India-made cough syrup. And WHO, World Health Organization, raised this issue. What is the name of that country X? Batao. And it said actually, according to them, ethylene glycol was found inside the cough syrup, which is of course dangerous. So उस X country का नाम बताइए. I'm waiting for the answers. And that is why ethylene glycol was in the news, and that is why I am saying कि ethylene glycol here becomes more important. So this is ethylene glycol, है ना, CH3OH, है ना, ऐसा होगा ना. This is ethylene glycol, है ना. Yes, very good. The right answer is Gambia. Aditya Mahajan is right. देखो ये काफी ज्यादा न्यूज में था. Yes, in October last year, the Gambia deaths and toxic cough syrup that are causing them. So it contained diethylene glycol and ethylene glycol. So यही न्यूज में था. And it is said कि WHO issued a medical alert actually. So this is a Maiden Pharmaceutical, which is Haryana based. So there was an allegation against this company that this was present inside those cough syrup and all. Yes, so here is India. This is Africa continent. यहाँ पे छोटा सा है. Actually, there's a small country called as Gambia. Okay, so just have an idea about it. ये news में था, so maybe they can ask it. Okay, the next one is question number 27, which says which one of the following is explosive? Phosphorus trichloride, merric oxide, mercuric oxide, graphite, nitroglyceride. What is the right answer? देखो ग्रेफाइट एक्सप्लोसिव होगा, पेंसिल में यूज किया जाता है. एटलीस्ट सी कैन नॉट बी द आंसर. यू कैन, आई मीन श्योर, यू बी श्योर, है ना. और अभी मैंने आपको बताया था TNG, ट्राई नाइट्रोग्लिसराइड, है ना, ट्राई नाइट्रोग्लिसराइड. नाइट्रोग्लिसराइड्स आर एक्चुअली जनरली कंसिडर्ड एज एक्सप्लोसिव. देखो थोड़ा सा याद रखना, नाइट्रो वगैरह जहां भी वाइड रहे ना, उसमें एक्सप्लोसिव होने की चांस ज्यादा होता है. ठीक है, सो डी इज द राइट आंसर हियर. ठीक है, सो व्हेनेवर यू फाइंड दिस वर्ड, प्रोबेबिलिटी इज हाई कि that would be the answer, है ना, trinitroglyceride and all, है ना. So D is the right answer to this question. The next one is which of the following is called as laughing gas? Nitric oxide, nitrous oxide, carbon dioxide, ozone. Laughing gas किसको कहते हैं? These have been talked. एक होता है producer gas, ये find out करो, which is called as producer gas. So laughing gas is actually N2O, nitrous oxide, है ना, N2O. Okay, so this is laughing gas, N2O ऐसे लिखते हैं, है ना. So this is how actually in bonding comes, है ना. So B is the right answer, not A. देखो नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड, नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड अलग अलग होता है. ठीक है, so चिन्मय तिवारी, ज्योति गुप्ता, you are right. B is the right answer to this question, है ना. देखो नाइट्रोजन का ऑक्साइड NO भी होता है, N2O भी होता है, NO2 भी होता है ना. So that is why these are slightly confusing. So be careful. So this is N2O, है ना. Yes. B is the right answer. जिन्होंने बी आंसर किया, आदित्य महाजन, मेलिया रोज, कृष्णा, यू ऑल राइट. Which of the following is a component of acid rain? This has been asked in many exams I have seen. ठीक है, बहुत जगह पूछते हैं ये, नहीं गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम्स में खास के एंड ऑल. सो व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर? एसिड रेन में कौन सा दो कंपोनेंट मिलता है गैस का? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड नाइट्रोजन, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, ओजोन एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड एंड सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड. व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर? कैन एनीवन टेल मी? ओके, सो द राइट आंसर इज अगेन नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड, है ना, या N2O वगैरह कह सकते हो, एंड सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड SO2. सो द राइट आंसर इज डी. ठीक है, तो सल्फर और नाइट्रोजन से जो गैस बनता है, दीज आर प्रेजेंट, है ना. सो डी इज द राइट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन. यस, ज्योति गुप्ता, चिन्मय तिवारी, आदित्य, डी इज द राइट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन. द नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन 30. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस इन द सेल, है ना. माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, न्यूक्लियस, राइबोसोम, लाइसोसोम. देखो मैंने पढ़ाई भी, लाइसोसोम इज कॉल्ड एज सुसाइडल बैग ऑफ द सेल, है ना. Mitochondria is produces ATP, adenosine triphosphate, and that is why it is called as powerhouse of the cell. And ribosome and endoplasmic reticulum, these are mostly responsible for protein synthesis. Endoplasmic reticulum का नाम सुना होगा आपने, है ना. ठीक है, so reticulum. ठीक है, so the right answer is C is the right answer, है ना. ज्योति, किशन, you all right, है ना. ठीक है, यस, ओके. देखो इसी में एक्चुअली होता है, देखो यहाँ पे ना, रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम, है ना, एंड स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. सो रफ वाले में राइबोसोम्स भी होता है. ठीक है. The next one is question number 31. This is quite interesting and important. The approximate range of visible light in nanometer is what? Wavelength बताना है. 100 से 200 नैनोमीटर, 200 से 370, 380 से 750, 750 से 930. What is the right answer to this question? क्या सही जवाब है बताओ? Wavelength of visible light. Visible light means विप गए और violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, है ना. So ये होता है 380 नैनोमीटर के आसपास, और ये होता है 750 के आसपास, है ना, नैनोमीटर. Yes. So the right answer is yes. Sakshi, Aditya, Mahajan, Amit, you are right. C is the right answer. This is slightly important. That is why I'm explaining it. देखो ये है electromagnetic wave spectrum. So you must have been studied taught in the school days, but still I am telling you. ये वाला जो होता है radio waves, है ना. So if you go on from here to here, the wavelength. If you are seeing, are you seeing this wavelength is decreasing, है ना. The frequency is increasing, and frequency is inversely proportional to lambda. Lambda means wavelength, है ना. जितना ज्यादा फ्रीक्वेंसी जाएगा उतना वेवलेंथ कम होते जाएगा ना. सो हियर द वेवलेंथ इज हायर, है ना. सो रेडियो वेव, माइक्रोवेव, इंफ्रारेड रे, विजिबल रे, यूवी रे, एक्स-रे, गामा रे, कॉस्मिक रे. तो यहीं पर विजिबल रे होता है, यहीं पे. ठीक है, और यहां से स्टार्ट होता है वायलेट, इंडिगो, ब्लू, ग्रीन, येलो, ऑरेंज, रेड. ठीक है. सो दिस वन इज एक्चुअली समवेयर अराउंड, मैंने तो ऐसे याद रखा है 400 से 700 नैनोमीटर. सो समवेयर अराउंड 400 नैनोमीटर, यू कैन रिमेंबर, एंड हियर इज 700 नैनोमीटर. ठीक है. So these are called as electromagnetic spectrum. मैंने बहुत बार बहुत सारे एग्जाम में क्वेश्चंस देखे हैं इस पर, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक स्पेक्ट्रम पर. ठीक है. So just have an idea about it. I have seen in many exams at many places questions asked from electromagnetic spectrum. ये भी याद रखना, frequency is inversely proportional to lambda. Lambda means wavelength, and wavelength decreases from radio wave till gamma rays, है ना. And this is how it is, है ना. Okay, yes, C is the right answer. Yes. The next is when ants bite, they inject what? Oxalic acid, acetic acid, methanol, formic acid. जब चूटी काटती है तो कौन सा एसिड होता है उसमें? So this is actually HCOOH, है ना. So when ants bite, there is an acid called as formic acid inside it, है ना. So D is the right answer to this question. एसिटिक एसिड का भी आपने नाम सुना होगा. इट इज लाइक दिस, CH3COOH, है ना. ओके, सो दिस इज यू विल फाइंड इट इन विनेगर, सिरका में मिलेगा ना. ओके, एंड लेट मी टेल यू वन मोर थिंग. दिस इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज मिथानोइक एसिड, है ना. एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड एज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज इथानोइक एसिड, है ना. ओके, जस्ट हैव एन आइडिया अबाउट इट. सो हियर द राइट आंसर इज डी, है ना. चूटी जब काटती है तो फॉर्मिक एसिड रिलीज होता है ना. और एसिटिक एसिड जो है विनेगर सिरका में एसिटिक एसिड होता है। यस आदित्य महाजन यू आर राइट। हाँ नहीं ज्योति गुप्ता HCHO नहीं होता है, HCOOH होता है ये वाला, दिस वन, ठीक है, प्लीज बी केयरफुल। ओके यस the next one, yes, HCOOH, formic acid. The next one is question number 33. What is the name of Jupiter mission of NASA? Juno, Man Job, Project Apollo, Parker Solar. ये तो बहुत आसान सा क्वेश्चन है। This is a very easy question. तो वर्ड्स ही पता चल जाएगा है ना। देखो देखो नेम जो होता है ना है वो उसका मैच करता है ना। सो जुपिटर JU, सो जूनो। हाँ द राइट आंसर इज A, जूनो इज द राइट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन। ठीक है, जस्ट हैव एन आइडिया, आई मीन नथिंग टू एक्सप्लेन मोर, सो आई एम मूविंग इट further. The next is ये वाला important है। I think last year, I mean 5-6 months back, it was in the news. This is called as now Launch Vehicle Mark 3, है ना, LVM3. Earlier it was called as something else. So what was it called? PSLV, GSLV Mark 1, GSLV Mark 2, GSLV Mark 3. What is the right answer to this question? ये है rocket, है ना, I mean or spacecraft, and it carries, I mean one of the most powerful spacecraft of ISRO. ISRO का most powerful माना जाता है ना स्पेसक्राफ्ट, ठीक है। सो अर्लियर इट वाज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट, इससे पहले इसका नाम क्या था? देखो बहुत हद तक आप इससे ही पहुंच सकते हैं। लॉन्च व्हीकल मार्क 3, M3 नंबर है ना, तो यहां से 3, सो द राइट आंसर इज D, ठीक है। सो यस शिल्पा M, यू आर राइट, D इज द राइट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन, है ना। लॉन्च व्हीकल मार्क 3, यहां भी GSLV मार्क 3, राइट, है ना, M3 है ना, सो जस्ट यू कैन रिमेंबर लाइक दैट। So that is 3 stage ISRO. This is actually 3 stage rocket, है ना। देखो उसमें होता क्या, 3 स्टेज होता है। 3 stages like this: solid stage, then liquid stage, then cryogenic stage. इंजन में 3 स्टेज होता है। Because of this, it is considered as very powerful. Cryogenic इंजन जो होता है ना बहुत पावरफुल माना जाता है। Okay, and because of which actually this rocket can carry very heavy payloads, yeah. So that is why you should be knowing it, है ना। So D is the right answer to this question. ठीक है, तो ये ISRO का सबसे most powerful rocket है ना। The next one is question number 35. Which among the following is not a fat soluble vitamin? Vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin K. I still remember I had taught this. So there are 2 types of vitamin: fat soluble and water soluble, right? सो फैट सोल्यूबल में कौन कौन होता है? विटामिन A, विटामिन A, D, E, K. वाटर सोल्यूबल में विटामिन B एंड विटामिन C. यस, सो विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट? सो इट इज नॉट, है ना। सो C इज द राइट आंसर। विटामिन ऑप्शन A इज द राइट आंसर। यस, शुभम शर्मा, याशी मोहन सक्सेना, यू आर राइट, A इज द राइट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन, है ना। सो यहाँ पे A राइट आंसर होगा ना, A, ठीक है। देखो ये है फैट soluble, these are vitamin A, D, E, K, ठीक है। सो एंड these are B, विटामिन B, ये सारे विटामिन B के हैं, थायमिन, राइबोफ्लाविन, नियासिन, पेंटाथेनिक एसिड, बायोटिन, फॉलिक एसिड एंड ऑल। अब विटामिन C, विटामिन C सिट्रस फ्रूट में होता है ना, सिट्रस फ्रूट लाइक लेमन, ऑरेंज, ये सब में आपको मिलेगा, ठीक है। सो जस्ट हैव एन आइडिया अबाउट दैट, ठीक है। So here the right answer is A is the right answer to this question. Okay, yes. The next is the major chemical compound found in kidney stone. जब लोग बोलते हैं कि पत्थर, पेट में पत्थर हो गया, so it's actually the stone in kidney. And which chemical compound is there? जो पत्थर होता है वो कौन सा होता है? यूरिया, कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट, कैल्शियम ऑक्सलेट, कैल्शियम सल्फेट। What is the right answer to this question? क्या सही जवाब है बताओ? किडनी के अंदर कैल्शियम ऑक्सलेट होता है, ठीक है। So C is the right answer to this question. This is actually you should be knowing it. Okay. The next one is what is the pH of blood? 3.5, 6.5, 7.5, 11. कितना होता है pH blood का? Actually pH tells you whether it's acidic or basic or strong acid or strong basic, है ना, basic है ना. So that is why you should be knowing it. देखो, I hope you are aware it goes like this. From 0, 7 is here, 14 is here. If you go here, it becomes basic. If you go here, it becomes acidic, right? And if you are here, it is neutral. And neither acidic nor basic. The right answer is yes, Aditya Mahajan, आज का very all right, 7.5 के आसपास होता है, slightly basic in nature. Yes, here you will see it. So acidic जो strong acid होता है, sulfuric acid. Stomach acid is hydrochloric acid, which you will find inside stomach. These are high acidic है ना, ये 0.1 जितना इसके करीब रहेगा. Then lemon juice is slightly weaker. विनेगर भी थोड़ा सा वीकर एसिड होता है ना. देन कॉफी समवेयर हियर हल्का से एसिडिक होता है, स्लाइटली एसिडिक कॉफी है ना. देन 7 इज हियर डिस्टिल्ड वाटर, सैलिवा, ये सब एकदम न्यूट्रल होता है. एंड ब्लड इज हेयर, तो आप देख रहे हो 7.5 के आसपास होता है, 7.4 7.5 एंड ऑल. ठीक है. बेसिक में क्या, मिल्क ऑफ मैग्नीशिया, सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, these are of course base है ना. So the right answer is C. Yes, Yashi Mohan Saxena, you are right. The next is question number 38. Which of the following hormone will be released during anger, anxiety, and fear? This I was seeing some previous year question or some exam where this was asked. है ना. एंगर, एंग्जाइटी और फियर, जब यानी आप ये सब में हो तो इसमें क्या होता है, जनरली हार्ट बीट कभी कभी तेज चलता है ना. इन दीज केसेस विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हार्मोन विल बी रिलीज्ड? ये तो आपने सुना होगा. देखो दिस इज रिलेटेड विद डायबिटीज है ना, शुगर से रिलेटेड है ना, तो ये तो होगा नहीं. आई हैव जस्ट टोल्ड यू ऑक्सीटोसिन इज लव हार्मोन एंड ऑल है ना. द राइट आंसर एक्चुअली इज एड्रेनालिन. यस, इट्स वेरी फेमस. सी देयर इज एन एड्रेनालिन ग्लैंड आल्सो है ना, just above kidney and all. Yes, C is the right answer. Mansi, Yashi, Jyoti, Melissa, you are right. C is the right answer. The next is endoscopy, which is used to explore the inside of the body, works on the principle of interference, diffraction, polarization, total internal reflection. What is the right answer to this question? आपने देखा होगा endoscopy is done, so there is a endoscopy which is actually done by inserting something inside the body है ना, and with the help of that the internal functioning of the body gets to know, the doctor gets to know by this method called as endoscopy. तो उसमें क्या किया जाता है actually, I hope you are aware, these are very simple. So total internal reflection है ना, तो total internal reflection works like this कि लाइट को इस तरह अंदर डाला जाए कि वो अंदर ही रह जाए है ना. So if the actually angle of incidence is actually greater than critical angle है ना, so it will actually total internal reflection will happen. These are the things you are aware of this, and so D is the right answer. Shubham, Melia, Rose, Jyoti, Gupta, Shilpa, you are right, and so D is the right answer. The next is the deficiency of which of the following vitamins causes night blindness? Vitamin A, D, C, K. What is the right answer? नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस क्या चीज की कमी से होता है? I have taught it. So the right answer is vitamin A. So A is the right answer. इसको पढ़ लेना. In many exams, these are asked in exam. ठीक है. ये वाला पढ़ लेना. Vitamin A, vitamin B1, ये वाला पढ़ लेना. Read this one. This one is important. This one is important. ठीक है. Vitamin D कमी से rickets. Vitamin C कमी से scurvy. ठीक है. Here the right answer is A. Very good है ना. ये सब थोड़ा सा आपको पता है. आयरन की कमी से shortage of iron causes anemia. Shortage of iodine causes goiter है ना. So that is why you should be knowing है ना. So that is why thyroid gland needs iodine है ना. So you should be knowing. So this is all about today's class. Please subscribe to the channel. We'll be coming up with more videos. ठीक है, जैसे कि innovation से related बच्चे पूछे थे. So tomorrow there will be a session with I think Srinivas sir will be taking. So subscribe to the channel. Whenever we are putting a video, you will get the notification. I have listened to your advices. Many people have advised कि sir इस पर भी लाइए, books and novels पर भी there will be session, history पे भी there will be session. So there will be session. ठीक है, on that. So thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.